Welcome to the Trooper Plate Store. 6 spots. 6 spots. I will love-hate relationship with this game. Like, I love the game. I love the style. I love everything. I love the jump scares. I love the player point of view. It's good, but I hate having to play the chapters. I hate playing the chapters. Because first person, but I did ask him about this, and this is because people could cheat if it wasn't locked first person, which that totally makes sense. That is a good reason. Excuse me. Aw, man, this sucks. Yeah, it makes sense why you would do that, since there's like a puddle here. Stop it. And, like, anyways, it makes sense because, like, use your camera to go in the puddle. Uh-oh, sounds like a goofy goober there. Okay, bro. I did the secret games. What happened? What happened to the key? Oh, it's on the side. Oh! What happened to you? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, what happened to you? Bro, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, what happened to you? Thanks for saving me. Aw, man. I have to do this chapter. Oh boy. Thank you. Oh, there you are. Yeah, but where is he? Where is he? This game sucks. Dale says I can talk. Bro really got the copy bar gotten a bomb.